What do you need to make a great video? That's what this lesson is all about. Hey Sam, tell us what the first element of the video making process is.
So first and foremost, you need a camera. We've shot with everything from our smartphones to pro cinema cameras that do crazy slow motion or 4K resolution, which are all cool things, but you don't need that to make a good video.
Right now we're rolling with multiple cameras, a smartphone and a professional camera, and you can see that while the quality of the professional cinema camera is better, you can still record great videos with a smartphone.
At the end of the day, all you need is something that can record video.
Now that you have a camera, you now need a subject or a story, something captivating, something that's gonna get people interested, something that's gonna keep someone watching your video. Story and subject will come back to the why. Why are you making this video? Is it because of a passion? Is it a 3-act structure that you wanna tell people? Or is it just a video vlog that you wanna share your life experience with? It's gonna be important that your viewers can connect with you through your story, subject, or yourself in general.
So once you have your camera and your subject matter, what type of video you're gonna make, the next thing is to think about exposing an image, having enough light for your camera to be able to see what you're trying to capture. This can come both from artificial light or from daylight. Artificial lights are like those that you find in your house or the lights that we use on film sets. Natural light comes from the sun. At a very basic level, it's just light, being able to see something. But as you get deeper into it, you'll start being able to shape light and really tell a story by using it.
Lighting can also really affect the mood of your video. Take, for example, this one big soft light for a very dramatic interview. Another aspect of video making is audio, and this can sometimes be forgotten. This includes stuff that's recorded on set, like a nice clear voice during an interview or dialogue between characters. This will also include stuff that's done in post, stuff like sound effects, voiceover recording, and music. All this comes together as your audio track in your final video, and this can really make or break your final video.
The next element of video making is editing. And editing or post-production is where some say the story really takes shape. It's where we take everything that we've worked on so far, the writing, the shooting, and we put it all together. And editing is more than just taking your best shots and putting them together. It's about adding emotion or even comedy with proper pacing or using techniques like adding music or doing some color grading to give a certain style to your film. It's ultimately about putting your story together and getting it ready to show the world. Think about editing throughout the entire video making process, from pre-production or when you're out shooting. It will help you understand what shots you need. Do you need close-ups? Do you need wide shots? What shots will help tell your story?
So you figured out your camera, you figured out what story you're gonna be telling, you've talked about your lighting, and you figured out your audio. You've taken all that and you've edited together a nice video. What do you do next? It's time to distribute that video. Film has been around for over 100 years. It's never been easier for you to share your video with the world. It's a great time to be a video maker.